not only in times past, but in the recent turnover in the real estate market and the financial crisis and everything that's transpired, many buyers and lending institutions are more cautious about property lines and surveys. And in the process of helping people understand that, we encounter a number of myths, such as we saw a piece of ribbon, we saw a piece of pipe, that's the property corner, correct. And all you really know at that point is that you saw a piece of ribbon or a piece of pipe. You know, there's no assurance that it's not been moved. And only a licensed land surveyor in the state that the property is located is legally qualified and authorized to identify and mark property corners. Not only the property corners being marked on the ground, but a plat of the survey is a vital part of acquiring a piece of property for many reasons. One myth that we encounter commonly is it was surveyed only a few years ago, so I'm covered, correct? And that's not really true. For one thing, there's privity of contract. If someone else engaged that surveyor and he made a mistake, you were not his client. You may not be entitled to damages under the court system. The surveyor may be liable for some sort of judicial or administrative function by his licensing board, but that would not help you. The other thing is that statute of limitations is generally 6 years, and even if a gross error had occurred, you would not be entitled to any kind of compensation or damages. One that's perhaps overlooked the most is the current survey exception in most title insurance policies. And attorneys sell title insurance for the title insurance companies, and standard language in any policy that doesn't have a current survey prepared as part of the closing is that one of the exceptions from coverage is any matter that a current survey would have revealed. So if there is an encroachment, some sort of unrecorded easement, a deficiency in acreage, any type of problem encountered after the closing that a survey would have revealed, the title insurance company is excluded from coverage, and you're left with strictly an as-is piece of property. So it's just generally good counsel to have a survey done on your behalf by a licensed surveyor and incorporate it into your closing when you're buying a piece of property. We're licensed in Georgia, Tennessee, North Carolina, Alabama, and South Carolina, covering Dixie like the Dew since 1995.